Yes, hello, my name is Marc André Sirard, the Department of Animal Sciences. And I'm just going to talk about here vitamins and how vitamins can help us when it comes to fertility issues. The project was done in conjunction with another colleague here. And for preliminary results, we can determine what has been done, and all of the information was put together on this project. So this is the work that we are going to be taking a look at. Now, we know that in the context of fertility, when we have postpartum cows, and postpartum cows have challenges conceiving. And in the past, we tried to understand why things didn't work so well when the cow was hungry. So basically, we realized that the cow is sensitive to two vitamins, vitamin A and vitamin D, because these are vitamins that represent the fresh points and the spring or the sun. And we've concluded that when cows are hungry, the production in the spring, we want to make sure that food is more abundant, and it's sort of an ancestral reflex. And the mother becomes lazy when they don't have the right conditions. So we need to supplement animals during the physiology. So just to give them more information so that they have better information in the spring, and we allow the energy, and here it's measured with a higher level of BHB in all of the cows that are hungry. And we wanted to see how whether the spring was enough for everything to be in place, and so that we could have some molecular growth. We selected in two groups according to BHB, so those that are hungry and those that are not hungry or less hungry. And then we treated half of these cows with vitamins for two types of sections. And we looked at the follicles of these animals after having tried to synchronize them, to be able to compare and to see whether the follicle, the dominant follicle, was in place, and whether it corrected what we had seen previously. And the green doesn't work properly if we have a negative situation. The results, and now these are very preliminary, here you have the p-values. So all the statistics that say that we don't have statistics right now on the amounts of birth before gestation. So the first column is no effect, and combined no effect. And then there are some that are not far. And we've connected all of the data together. And currently we don't have a demonstration with a small number of cows for an extraordinary effect. Now, we are looking at the gene analysis of these animals to see if there's a trend, and we are able to imagine that we might be able to treat cows, and if vitamins will help them, and if we will be able to see how cows change. And we give energy as if it's the spring, and then we give them the reproductive system. We want that to work properly. Now, as we can measure BHB easily at the farm, it does allow us to stimulate cows who need vitamin supplements to be able to get adequate capacities. All right, thank you very much for your attention.